This is another variety of the hibiscus family plant, and this one also, the correct botanical name, when I get it, I'll put it on the cover of the video. We can have a look at it today. It starts flowering around October end, and then nice, you can see the size of the flower. It's quite big and nice, and it shuts down in the evening and in the night, and also if it is too rainy, it doesn't open. Then around 9 o'clock or something, when the sun comes, it flowers open up, and flowers are quite pretty and nice. Leaves are having the typical shape of that group, that marshmallow group, and it's quite rough, and then little thorns are also present, not very strong but somewhat prickly. So leaves are like this. Then the whole plant has some small thorns. You can see here, tiny sharp thorns are there, and then it grows wild in not in completely disturbed areas, but lightly disturbed areas, on roadsides and forest edges and all. You can find it, and flowers are quite showy and nice. The inner part has such a dark color. It's quite beautiful. I'll try to do a close-up now. So it's very attractive. The core part is a dark red. Then even the pollen seems to be reddish only. I think it's also a herb. So if I find lot of interesting stuff about this species, I'll do another video with that herbal part. Otherwise, for now, we can think of it as a one more member of that hibiscus family. The tender that flower bud looks like this. Everything has little thorns. Then just before ripening, it gets a little orangish tint. And plants can climb quite high if there is some supporting system is there. It's able to latch on to something and then climb up. I've seen it growing up to some 30-40 feet and all on some trees. So this is the another member of the hibiscus family.